Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop, REDnote here. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of REDnote and then you can update your app. So please don't